Did you know that Amazon makes recommendations on which products you should be advertising to help you make more money? Amazon processes millions of data every single day, and they make recommendations based on so many things like category trends, seasonality, all those kinds of things. And in this video, I'm going to show you how and where they identify these opportunities for you. So Amazon gives you suggested products that they recommend that you should be advertising with. According to them, these suggested products should help boost the efficiency of your Amazon ads campaigns. Now, this suggested products feature uses Amazon ads machine learning capabilities to tell you which products they think customers are more likely to engage with. So as a result, they make these recommendations and say you should put these products in your campaigns because they think customers are more likely to convert on those products. They also look at category trends. They obviously have a ton of insights on all categories, so they can tell you how the category is moving. And if the category is moving in a direction where you should be advertising those products, they'll make those recommendations. They also make those recommendations based on past seasonal trends. So you guys know that there's seasonality in a lot of products. Now they can see other products in your competitors and how their seasonality is. So for example, right now is March. They think in April and May, certain products are going to do a lot better based on competitors' seasonalities. They can start making recommendations to you and say, hey, either your product performed in the past really well in April and May, or your competitors are, and as a result, they make those suggestions too. They also look at products with high gross sales potential, and I'll show you where to find that. Go into your menu, go to inventory, go to fulfilled by Amazon, go to FBA inventory, sales summary, and look at the last 90 days. And that's where you'll find those products with high gross sales potential. Now, the next step is obviously to go and create campaigns based on those suggested products and start advertising. Now, this whole video heavily applies to brands that have larger catalogs and they're probably not advertising all of their products. If you have one or two ASINs, you're most likely advertising those products. If you're not, I highly recommend that you do. I don't think you'll have a lot of success on Amazon without running ads. I think it's heavily encouraged that you run ads, and I have a lot of videos talking about that. But if you are a larger seller, you're a larger brand, you have a lot of products and a big catalog, it's not feasible to advertise all of them at once. Obviously, you have a limited budget. So using Amazon suggested products is a great way to figure out which ones should you advertise next. And in another video, in the next video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to create campaigns to maximize your chance of success and minimize your chance of failure, because creating campaigns with a bad structure can be very detrimental. And I want to make sure that I create a step-by-step screen share guide for you to follow on exactly how I do it and how I found a lot of success. Now, this is not a rule, this is not a fact, everyone has their own ways, but I've worked on over 1,000 brands, and with Trivium, we manage over 180 brands every single month. So I've seen a lot of things and we've tested a lot of things, and this is what I think is the highest chance of success. And a big thank you to Amazon Ads for sponsoring this video and helping add a lot more value to the community and bringing education. And I'll leave a link in the description, guys. If you want to follow the full guide that Amazon Ads provides on these suggested products, make sure to click the link in the description. See you in the next video.